Yeah, hey everyone, this is Alok, and today I'm just being curious because I just wanted to check how does my typing looks on screen. So I decided to make this video, and I will check my typing speed on monkeytype.com. Um, I really like this website because it has a clean interface, clean user experience, and I really like the functionalities of this website. So you can just take the route of times where you can choose 15 second, 30 second, and 60 seconds countdown. You can also customize this. You can just put a random number here. It is in seconds, so it is going to be 16 minutes 40 second. But yeah, I prefer to stick with time with word limit. I think 50 is fine. And the best part about this website is that you can just refresh the page. Once you refresh the page, you will get to see the different plain text. So it is good for practice. I mean, if I refresh this page for multiple times, so I will get a random text, and let's see. So I've chosen this one, 50 words. So my average typing speed is something around 70 to 72, and on a good day I can go up to 90, not 90, 80. But yeah, by the end of this year I'm just planning to cross the 100 mark. Hopefully I will do it. There is another website called KeyBR. Just wait a second, which is also good for beginners. So yeah, it shows 72.93 with an accuracy of 96.43. So I've mistyped two words, and my raw speed is 74.02, which is fine. I mean, yeah. Thank you.